Hello everybody! So, nandito naman tayo sa chika. Anyway, this just a quick video about Ann Curtis and Jackson Wang. People are crazy about it, like they put meaning to everything. Wala na ba kayong ginagawa sa buhay ko kundi ano na lang kayo, magkwento ng kung ano-ano? Why can't you just be? Why can't Ann Curtis likes Jackson like an idol, like a fan. So why would people create such a deal out of it? Like they're in a club or whatever. I mean, are they alone? You all loved such a story, right? But anyway, I like Ann Curtis, and I don't know the guy. Okay, I have no idea about movies, whatever, telenovela. I'm not into that world, okay? So I just know people that I know when I was young or in my time or whatever. um my thing is that don't create or don't put any meaning because Ann Curtis is just a fan and it so happened, it's part of the circle or they have the time to be together, right? If it's me, if like because I like Ann Curtis, right? If I see Ann Curtis, right, and then if I would hug her, would it create something? Or let's say if I'm a man, right, and I'd see Ann Curtis and I'm a fan of Ann Curtis and I would hug her, right? So it's just the same thing. Don't put any meaning to it, okay? Erwan and Ann is good, real good, okay? So nako, ano ba kayo? Huwag kayong guys, maggawa ng mga kwento na kung ano-ano just to make a story out of nothing. It's nothing. They're friends. And a good thing that, when a fangirl makes friendship to the idol, oh, di ba? Masaya, ang saya-saya. That's it. That's my reaction to the video. It is funny. Anyway, that's it. Just to be relevant. I just have a good time. This is my fun. Like seeing what other people's mind is doing or what are they reacting right now. It's fun. That's it. Bye.